Hey guys, welcome back. So what we're looking at today, we're going to drain this whole system. We're going to replace this radiator today, and instead we're going to replace it with this Koyorad. So let's get this open real quick. I should have a tripod right here. That guy. Perfect, brand new. Nice Koyorad. Yeah, look at that. And what we're after here is look at how thick that is. The OEM is much, much smaller. Now, there was a sticker. Sweet. Stickers, gotta have those. All right. Stop, read before installing. Okay, Okay. Easy enough. So, now we'll come over to the vehicle. It's always something for you guys. Now, yep, right here. Alright guys, so once we got the radiator cap off, that's going to unpressurize the system. So we're just going to let that drain for a minute. Got all this stuff out of the way. We'll button him back up and we'll take off the lower hose. All right, so I loosened it on this side and I got it to a point. It was pouring out, a bit slower now. Now we can get the rest out of the radiator too. There's fans under here. Ouch. That I need to disconnect. So there's one. Is there a second one? Yeah, up here. There he is. We'll go this way. Okay. Got that one disconnected too. So, yeah, that size to that size. So you're probably doubling the size of this guy. So next step is I just got to transfer over slides up. Alright guys, so it just slides right in. So you've got these little mounting stubs on the bottom here. So it slides into that, and then Koyorad supplies hardware. So you just make sure you line up your holes. And bada boom, bada bing. I'll tighten up those screws, and then this guy's installed, and we'll throw them right back in the engine bay. So I'll be right back. Let me just tighten those screws. So sorry I needed two hands for most of this, but really you've got these two pins on the bottom side. So those, you've got two rubber grommets, so you just put both of those studs in. This slides right into place, and then I mounted. Then I got both of these guys on there, and the next step was just tightening this little guy on there. So this nozzle was a little bit smaller, so I had to get a clip, whereas before I didn't. And then now I need to slide that guy on. Okay guys, so we're just double checking here. So I've got this guy clamped on, he's tight, that one's tight, that one's tight. I got everything plumbed up here. Got these two screws need to be tightened down. We'll make sure coolant's at least in the low position. And then I got a filler cap for this. So we'll get that topped off. But really, the Koyorad should be ready to go. And we're running a bigger radiator, so let's make sure we get some ready to use. Do not add water, Subaru official. Topped off. Let's start it here in a second. All right, and one of the reasons we double check, you guys, is I had forgotten. Koyorad said, hey, make sure you tighten that because it is not tightened from the factory and it was already dripping. I was about to crank on my car, so make sure you tighten that because it turned probably 12 or 13 times. And then underneath, I just cleaned it up, and then I have a white towel underneath. And that should tell me if I'm getting any leaks. Alrighty guys, well there you have it. She is running, she's purring. I think engine's happy with the new radiator. And as you can see, it's about twice as thick as the OEM. If you guys do have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. But a very easy project. I think anyone could do it on their own, even with just simple tools. You could do it in your driveway. It only took me about 2 hours to do it. Super easy modification, and I hope that this helps you guys decide if you want to move forward with it on your own car. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next episode. Take care till then. God bless.